crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and it is that time of the month. It is the Open Gate subscription box. Yay! So let's see what Monique and her team has put together for us this month. So just so you know, this is last month, or out of the Boo box, I think, from our Open Gates. I'm still working on that. I am trying to knock out more of their projects because Monique and that team just absolutely do some amazing things. They always put a letter in here telling us what's going on. And FYI, I am not endorsed, sponsored by Open Gate or any of the places that I financially support. So you get my raw opinion. If you don't agree with it, that's awesome. If you do, that's even better. But I receive no discounts, no kickbacks, no nothing for the reviews that I give. So Open Gate Quilt Box, October 2024, project number 1, All the Buzz Table Runner. And so this is pretty darn cute. So one of the things I do like about Monique is she usually gives us a nice photo of what the project will end up looking like. This one I may try to get to closer to the top of the pile because it is really cute, and I wish the colors were jumping for you all like they are here. It's fabric for top and binding, featuring the Honeybees and Flowers by Riley Blake Fabrics. So maybe the fabrics will show you a little bit better. So look how adorable that is. It says, wild like a flower, warm like the sun, be humble and kind, create your own sunshine. I absolutely love this. It's got 3 companion fabrics to go with it, and the white one actually has little sunflowers on it as well. So again, she did an amazing job. This is an adorable table runner. Sunflowers, of course, are always festive and just bring sunshine to our lives. So how cool is that? So let me see if I can get this back in the bag real quick. I guess I could have done that off camera, but you know, it is me. It's just the way I do things. Let me toss this in here. And then project number 2. I always get 2 projects. The second project is a pre-printed apron. Includes Beautiful Harvest apron by Marcus Fabrics. Notes and suggestions with the picture. So let's see. And again, it's got, oh, pretty interesting. So I may end up, so I don't use kitchen aprons, not even to grill in that. I love the kitchen scarves. Some people call them kitchen boas, whatever you call them. I have probably 2 dozen of those. I love those, especially when I'm hosting parties and that. So that is typically what I use, but this may make a nice gift for someone this year. So look how adorable. I actually love the fabric in that's in here with the grapes and all that. So I do like this. It's just, I just happen not to wear aprons. I know some people do, but that's just not me. But, you know, Christmas is coming, so someone may end up needing an apron. Or getting an apron for Christmas. All right, so that was 2 projects. All the Buzz Table Runner pre-printed apron was our second project this month. The notion of the month, she usually includes a notion for us, and this is Clover 1/4 inch usable tape. So that is our notion for this month. And then she always provides a thread that works with our project. It's always Aurifil. It is the 50 weight, and it is dark blue this month. And then sometimes, usually, we get a fat quarter, and the fat quarter this month is Autumn Retreat by, Lord have mercy, PTB Textiles. The font's a little crazy for me. So it is a pretty fat quarter. So that's kind of cool. So that will go over there to go in the fat quarter pile. So overall, guys, very, very happy as usual. If you follow me, you know I'm pretty, usually pretty happy with anything Monique and that team down there do at Open Gate. So my name is John. You landed in Guys Craft 2. If you like what I'm doing, hit that thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button. And as always, until next time, happy crafting.